Hello YouTube, this is Chicago PR Prepper here, and today I'm going to show you my fire starter kit. As you can see, it's like an L-toy, but I actually bought this from Amazon. So we're going to start with the Ranger bands, 2 of them. You guys know there's a lot of uses for Ranger bands. Put that aside. So first we're going to start with the tin box. It's 3.5 by 2.5 by 4/5. First in the group is, everybody knows this, every prepper's bought this before, credit card survival pocket wallet EDC tool. And the reason why I picked this up is because you could actually open cans with it. It's got a screwdriver, it's got a knife, it's got a little scraper there, bottle cap opener, 4-position wrench, 2-position wrench, butterfly screw wrench, direction auxiliary wrench, screwdriver, knife edge, saw blade, double row, ruler, and a keychain holder. And this one I bought is really good. I like it. It's solid. It's very sharp. I cut myself already with it. And you could scrape with the ferro rod. Next on the agenda, magnesium chips. These are good. Finely grounded wood, fiber, and wax. See right here. Fuel tablet. Drilled Ferrocerium Ferro rod. Stormproof matches with the striker. Tinder-Quik Fire Tab. That's what I got. That's just the idea. You could, you know, like I always said, you do what's good for you and your family. This is what I picked. In the future, I'm going to do a comparison with all the fuel tabs and see which one's the best to use. All this fit in here, this little can right here. I could probably put a couple more items in there, but I'm fine with this right here. So I hope you found this informational, and until next time, Chicago PR Prepper.